Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know, we had a crazy week because there was a huge fall on gold and things have shattered, new levels have formed. So let's try to understand what is the current scenario on gold right now and what are the best trading opportunities for the coming week and on Monday. So watch the video carefully and let's get started. So first of all, you can see that I have added few lines here and I have removed the previous lines because after this huge fall on Sunday, okay, not Sunday, after this huge fall on last week, the whole picture has changed. You can see that the previous support level of 1780 to 1790 is the new resistance for the market, because as we all know, resistance becomes support and support becomes resistance in the market, and the previous support of 1780 to 1790 is the new resistance for the market. Or in simple words, if market starts going up from here on Monday, Tuesday, okay, then definitely market will be facing resistance at this particular level right now. So this level should be present in your charting platform, my dear friends, 1780 to 1790 as the resistance. On the other hand, we have 1750 as the support on the downside, and if you have been watching my videos for quite some time, then you know it very well that I used to talk about this level a lot, because this was this level of support for the market, and when there was a heavy fall on gold, this was the level that came as a savior for the market. And you can see that 1750 is still trying to provide support to the market. But if you just try to analyze the market carefully, or if you just try to understand the market emotion here, if you just focus on this particular portion of the market here, then you can see that right now the selling pressure is very high in the market. Okay, very high in the market. So therefore this level 1750 is struggling right now to lift the price upward. But there are certain other things also that we must consider. So let's go back to the chart of DXY here. Okay, so this is the chart of US dollar, and if you have watched my previous videos, then this move on DXY was very much expected, because I have been talking about in my previous videos also that whenever we get a chart setup like this, we usually get a good breakout on the upside, and as per our expectation, market did go up and there was a fall on Euro USD and Gold USD. But right now you can see that US dollar is trading at 93.24. In fact, yesterday also I mentioned that market will be taking support and bouncing from here. Yes, to be very honest, I was expecting that market would bounce from here, but I was not expecting this kind of a bounce. Anyways, I think that after if you look at the present portion of the market here, then there's a good possibility that market will be coming down. Okay, do not consider that it will be a trend reversal on US dollar. Market may come down to take rest a bit. Market may retrace a little bit. Okay, because we all know it very well that market never goes up in a straight line or never goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern. So right now market has made a top here, so market will be coming down again to take rest and so that it can go up again. So on Monday, after the market opening, there is a good possibility of US dollar retracing a little to take rest. Do not consider it as a trend reversal. Just keep in mind that when US dollar will be retracing a little, there will be buying on the chart of gold. On the other hand, if the same buying pressure continues on the US dollar, and if you see boom green candles, then obviously there will be heavy selling on gold. But the probability is very less, according to me. Okay. And anyways, this is the resistance zone for the US dollar here. Okay, and you must need to mark this level. So this resistance zone is very important for the US dollar. Please mark it on the DXY chart. Apart from it, you also need to mark the 92.80 level on the chart as the new support of the market. Previously this was the resistance, and as discussed yesterday, this has become the new support for the market. In case there is a heavy fall or sharp selling on the US dollar, then definitely 92.80 will be the new support. But anyways, looking at the present setup of US dollar, there is a good possibility of retracing a little on Monday and going up again. For that, you can use Fibonacci as well. Okay, if you want to use Fibonacci calculator, you can use. Okay, so let's get back to the chart of gold USD here. So what should be our strategy for Monday then? And if, my dear friends, if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, let's have a look at the forex sentiment meter. It's loading again. I hate loading. It kills time. At last it has loaded. Yes, yes, yes. It is taking time. At last it has loaded. Anyways, let's look at the forex sentiment meter here. See, 17% retail traders have taken short position, only 17%, and 82% retail traders have taken long position. Okay. So 82% retail traders are hoping that market will be going down, whereas 17% are thinking that market will be going down. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, do not follow the crowd, trade with proper analysis and trade with proper logic, and do not take any impulsive decision, because this is your hard-earned money and you must not play with your hard-earned money. Okay, so what should be a strategy for Monday then? Okay, for Monday, what you can do is that, okay, wait for the market to open. Okay, and after the market opening, let the market go up here. You can see the market is already taking support here. 1750 is already trying to act as support. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. If you find market going up from here, then obviously there is a possibility of DXY going down. So if you find DXY going down, going up from this support, then you can go for a buy. Just keep in mind to use proper stop loss. Your stop loss will be below this level. Use proper stop loss and use proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Okay, so if DXY retraces on Monday and gold starts going up from here, then you can go for a quick profit. You can go for a buy on Monday. Just keep in mind, there is not a trend there. The possibility of trend reversal on DXY is very less. Okay, so be very careful and do not expect a huge profit on the chart of gold if you are on the buying side. And on the other hand, if DXY shows the same bullish pressure on Monday as well, if you find, yes, again after the retracement, DXY will be going up again. So when DXY will be going up again towards the resistance, then definitely gold will be breaking this support zone. Then gold will break the support zone and definitely there will be selling, and you can short the market below 1750 level. Just keep in mind that you make sure to check the chart of DXY. Without consulting the chart of DXY US dollar, do not take any impulsive decision. That will be very risky for you. And if you short the market here, then the next support for the market will be 1718. Okay, 1718. You can come out by 1720. Anyways, whatever you do, do not take any impulsive decision. Consult the chart of DXY well, and as I've said, DXY is very bullish right now. There is a possibility of retracement and going up again. And If that's the case, the dollar will be going up a little. You can make money as dollar is standing at a support right now, but ultimately when dollar US dollar will be going up again, you need to exit, and only short gold. Okay, only short gold below 1750 level. That's it. And just keep in mind to consult the chart of DXY at all the time. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program on my website, where I share the best trading market opportunities with you. If you are interested, then just go to the Pro Trader section. Again, it is also loading. It's very silly here. Anyways, this is the Pro Trader page. If you are interested, then just go to the section and just find out. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday again.